So there is no relief yet coming in the way for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from the Supreme Court. As far as his legal team is concerned, right after his petition yesterday was dismissed by the Delhi High Court, where he challenged the ED arrest and the remand thereafter. And as it was termed as not illegal by the Delhi High Court, Arvind Kejriwal's legal team moved Supreme Court and sought for an urgent listing of the matter today. However, the Supreme Court refused to take up the hearing in the case immediately and has not given a specified date or a time when this matter would be taken up. Well, meanwhile, as far as the advocate is concerned, representing Arvind Kejriwal, Abhishek Manu Singhvi said that this was an urgent mentioning regarding the Delhi Chief Minister, where he further alleged that the arrest was based on an unreliable document and they are being suppressed. In response, CJI Chandrachud refused to hear the petition on an urgent basis and did not specify when the matter will be taken up today or tomorrow. Till the time during the hearing, the CJI said that he will look into it. But however, there is no specific time that has been granted. Amid all of this, the BJP, which is actively protesting against Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister, outside the Aam Aadmi Party office, we witnessed when it comes to protests by the BJP today, where the party is demanding that at least now, after the setback that was received by the Aam Aadmi Party leader by the Delhi High Court yesterday, this is a high time as the Delhi Chief Minister must now step down from his post, as he cannot continue to govern the national capital from behind bars. The BJP, however, remains unyielding in its demand. All of this after the Aam Aadmi Party launched Jail Ka Jawab Vote Se campaign to seek public support for his party and its leader. Even when it comes to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is currently lodged in Tihar. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh will also not be able to meet Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and also Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, as the Tihar Jail administration has revoked permission for the meeting, citing security reasons. This is the development that has now taken place today. Let's also listen in how the Aam Aadmi Party has been reacting, because they say that on the very basis, on the grounds that Sanjay Singh managed to get bail from the Supreme Court, they wanted to take the same argument forward when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal challenging his arrest in the Supreme Court.
देखिए, हमने हमेशा से कहा, जुडिशियल प्रोसेस है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के फैसले से हम खुश ना हो, हम हाई कोर्ट जाते हैं, हाई कोर्ट के फैसले को हम सहमत ना हो तो हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाते हैं, इसलिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए हैं। हमें उम्मीद है जब भी न्याय मिलेगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट से न्याय जरूर मिलेगा। आज हम लोगों ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर अपनी बात रखी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उस मामले को सुनने के लिए समय दिया और हमें उम्मीद है कि जिस तरीके से संजय सिंह जी के मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक राह दिखाई,